If you find your account restricted on Kraken, you can appeal the decision by following a few straightforward steps. This guide will help you navigate the appeal process effectively. Step 1. Gather information. Collect all relevant information regarding your account, including your account number, any emails or notifications from Kraken about the restriction, and any other pertinent details that may support your case. Step 2. Review Kraken policies. Familiarize yourself with Kraken terms of service and policies related to account restrictions. Understanding the reasons behind restrictions can help you formulate a stronger appeal. Step 3. Prepare your appeal. Draft a clear and concise appeal letter. Include your account information, a description of the issue, and any evidence or documentation that supports your claim. Be polite and professional in your communication. Step 4. Submit your appeal. Log into your Kraken account and navigate to the support section. Use the appropriate channels to submit your appeal, ensuring that you attach your appeal letter and any supporting documents. Step 5. Follow up. After submitting your appeal, monitor your email for any responses from Kraken. If you do not receive a reply within a reasonable time frame, consider following up to check on the status of your appeal. By following these steps, you can effectively appeal the account restriction on Kraken. Good luck!